Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create two pivot charts. Now if you want to create a two pivot chart, right, then you need to have two pivot table as well. I'm also going to show you how to create this thing called slicer. Now I'm going to make a copy of this worksheet. I'm going to delete one of them by pressing Ctrl A and hit clear all. But I can use delete key as well, right? Control A and delete. So I have just delete one of them, and here and here. So let's just say you have created a simple pivot table where you have grouped the periods and you have uh, the sum, right, based on different purpose of loan. So I have selected personal loan, and then I want to see what is the trend like in people getting a personal loan, right? So I'm going to option and I choose pivot chart. Well, remember your active cell should be within the pivot table, and I press pivot chart and click line chart and click OK. So here's one. So I'm going to format this to make it more to highlight what I'm concerned, right? So I'm going to change the color, right? Select the line for 2014 and go to the Format tab. Choose a shape line. And I'm going to change, oh, it seems I changed it wrongly, right? So I'm going to change for the line, this could be line 20 or pre-hard, right? This is could be line 2013, right? As you can see, there's a series 2013, right? So I'm going to change that to a gray, and then I have another which is 2012. I change it to something like brown color, like so. As you can see, right, um, the demand for personal loan is uh, climbing up. So I'm gonna change the shape fill color as well. And next, I'm going to remove all this button, right? So to make it like a standard chart. So right click on this and choose hide all fill buttons on charts. Alright, so now I have done my right, and now lastly I will just right click here and choose my format legend, send to bottom. So this is the trend of applying personal loan in year 2014 compare against 2013 and 2012, right? So let's look at the other. So now I'm going to compare this personal with the credit card loan, right? So I'm going to Control A to select this period table, and I'll paste right below. Now both of these are the same period table, so now I'm going to change some criteria. First, I will remove sum of personal, right, in this fields values area, right, and I click and drag it out. Then I choose credit cards. It will move to the values area, right? You can see that, right? So next, I will choose to have this chart there as well. Oh, but before that, I would just now I will just continue right then. Options, pivot chart, and I choose the line chart. Click OK. Right. So now I want to format exactly just like what is here, right? So if you do have the template, then you can apply the templates. But I don't have here, right? So I'll just do again. So I'm gonna change 2014 to other colors. That's 2014, right? And then I got this. I change it to gray. And finally, I have 2012. I change it to the brown color. I change my fill for legend bottom. So as you can see, right, that applying credit card is decreasing. Right, this is some of the control set by our governments, Bank Negara Malaysia, or people applying credit card is lesser. But what caused that? That as it depends on which uh, authority want to see this will. How do they um, explain on this chart line? But here's the powerful of the pivot chart. And next, I will choose one of this pivot table and insert a slicer. Right, go to the options tab and choose insert slicer, and I choose a purpose, and I click OK. Now I have Bank Berdagan, which is the commercial banks, right? And then so commercial bank wise, right? This is the applying loans, right? Bank Islam. There are people applying personal loan in Bank Islam as well as credit card as well, and compared to Bank Berdagangan. So as you can see that credit card is for between 2012 and 2013. But as for personal usage, right, I would assume that this is personal loan, right? Then this is what I get, right? So this is actually quite scary because people are taking more personal loan when credit card is not allowed. More people are fall into the debts, and personal loan interest rate are much higher than credit card. So this is not something that is healthy. I don't think so. Right. So next, right, I can easily switch this to other purpose as well. Right? I can switch to purchase of residence, and then for this below one, I can change remove and then change it to um, non-residence. Right. So this is non-residence, and these are purchase of residence. Right. So purchase of residence has shown a decline, right, since October. Not really October because there's no value here yet. So they might they might remain stagnant or decrease, right? But as you can see that based on year 2013, right? 2013, right? These are the same. 2013. Oh, that's 2013, right? So the color has changed. So we're gonna change it back again. Right? Maybe we need to use VBA to make this formatting much faster. Well, let's see if I can make a video on this then. Thank you for watching.